In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to emails in Hubspot. We'll go through this process step by step, ensuring you can follow along comfortably and apply it in your daily tasks. We're aiming to complete this in just about 5 minutes, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Hubspot homepage. Open your web browser and head over to hubspot.com. This is the portal where all the magic starts, whether you're writing emails, managing your contacts, or analyzing your marketing campaigns. Now that you're on the homepage, look for the sign in option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account. Once you've entered your login details and signed in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot home. From here, our next step is to click on Contacts. This is your go-to spot for managing all your professional connections directly within HubSpot. It's here you'll see a comprehensive list of everyone you have stored in your database. With the Contacts menu open, select a contact to whom you wish to send an email. Simply click on their name in the list and you'll be taken to their specific contact record page. This page is like a hub for that individual, showing you a history of your interactions and allowing you to perform various tasks. Now it's time to create an email. On the contacts details page, look for the create an email option. It's straightforward and will usually be quite prominent on the screen. When you click this, a draft window will open, allowing you to compose your message. So far, so good. Now let's focus on attaching your files to this email. Look around the email draft window for an icon that resembles a paperclip. This is the attach file icon, and clicking it will allow you to add attachments to your email. Once you've clicked the attach file icon, you'll see a prompt with options. In this instance, select choose existing. This feature allows you to pick files that are already stored within the HubSpot system. It's particularly handy if you frequently send the same documents or images as part of your email correspondence. And there you have it. Your file will be attached to the email, ready to be sent along with your message. Remember, attachments often enhance the effectiveness of your communication by providing your contact with all the necessary information they might need. As you can see, adding attachments to your emails in HubSpot is a seamless process. With just a few clicks, you can ensure your emails are more informative and professional. Keep practicing this process and it will soon become second nature. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.